Hi, today we will see how to create the Gantt chart in Tableau. So, in order to create this chart, I'm going to be using the sample superstore dataset. So, for creating this chart, I'll take the order date and I'll drop it onto the column shelf, and then I'll take the subcategory and drop it onto the row. So, you can see here our order date is in the discrete form. So, I'll make it as a continuous and I'll select on the quarter. So, after that, we have to create one calculation field. So click here, select create calculation field, name the title and uh, name it duration. This field calculate the total time between the order date and the shipping date. So type order date minus date, click on apply. Okay. So as you can see here, our calculation field has been created. So drag this field and drop it onto the size and make it a entire view. So as we can see, our Gantt chart is almost ready. So after that, what I'll do, I'll take the subcategory and drop it onto the color. Uh, Drag this field over here. So then after click on the drop down in the row shelf, click on the drop down of subcategory, click on sort. So here in and then again click on this drop down and select field. So click on descending and select aggregation as a maximum. So here we can see our Gantt chart is ready. So in order to label this Gantt chart, just take the order ID, order date and drop it onto the label. And also you can drag the ship date and drop it onto the label. So this is how we can create the Gantt chart in Tableau. Thank you.